A bit of this in here, just a little bit more Pollo Asado seasoning, just a few sprinkles. That was maybe a little too much. I'm gonna rinse this off. I guess the rest that's okay. Alright, and then also I'm gonna add just a little bit of this ground ginger. This is on medium heat, by the way. So now I just have my kale and my parsley. I just threw some parsley on top. But the kale, I just massaged it with some lime juice, and I put some paprika, some regular black pepper, and I'll show you the other seasoning. I use this one, the Caira total seasoning, says una mas. Okay, this shit almost gone. Yeah, so I'm just gonna pour these in here and then let it cook up. And I had read some time ago that massaging your kale beforehand is good because that's how you get it to like not be super tough. Because I know, you know, some people that are making kale, it can be, well, I don't know, apparently that's an issue, but Miso ramen broth. Pour this in. So that is definitely not enough like actual soup liquid, I'll say. So I'm just gonna add some vegetable broth. When I'm eating my noodles and stuff, I like to have like a lot of liquid. And I have tasted it 10,000 times to make sure it's seasoned nice and well, and it is. Come to the side, the Beyond beef broom. That's just what this is, and I just heated it up. Put in some of my black truffle salt mix. Hold on, let me show you this black truffle salt that I got from the fresh market. In this, there is sea salt, spice, black pepper, dehydrated mushrooms, dried truffle, natural artificial flavors. Y'all don't know what that means, but yeah. And then I put some sesame oil in here too. So everything is pretty much done now. So I'm just going to get to plating. kind of wish that I had some like lemon, or not lemon, some lime slices for this. I knew I was gonna do this. I had put the broccoli back in the freezer, that way I didn't, you know, let it thaw all out and get all mushy. And I told myself, don't forget you're putting the broccoli away. And what did I forget that I did? Put the broccoli away. But I want broccoli in this meal, so I'm gonna have to pause my little bowl. I don't know why I got this frozen broccoli anyway. I never ever get frozen broccoli anymore. But that's literally the only thing that I bought frozen at that. I don't understand, so I don't know. But cooking this real quick. Seasoned it with some salt, pepper, and sesame oil. And then there is still a little bit of like whatever residues.